Welcome back to WeatherBug here on this Wednesday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast as we continue focusing on our storm system raking across the nation here. And this is leading to some heavy rain, some flooding, eventually some heavy snow and also some ice. And then turning much colder post-storm system. We've already had reports of heavy snow and ice with this particular event and even some heavy rain. But this was a view from Paducah, Kentucky this morning prior to sunrise. And look at all the wet roads here. Again, some spots have already picked up more than an inch of liquid rain, and that is causing some flooding. In fact, under the tri-state region here in southwestern Indiana, western Kentucky, and southern Illinois, some flash flooding, some road closures. But there are those flood watches extending all the way to southwestern Pennsylvania due to the fact that we could see an additional 1 to nearly 2+ inches of liquid on top of what we've already seen. Now we're going to start to see that colder air work in, and that is going to allow that changeover to take place with some ice and snow with some of these same areas dealing with flood watches. Still ongoing winter weather headlines across Colorado, New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Nebraska, and again watching this snow event take place all the way to the eastern seaboard by the end of the week. So here's your forecast. Again, you can see this heavy rain, maybe even a few strong thunderstorms today, lower Mississippi Valley and the Gulf Coast states before the colder air wraps in. But as you notice, as it moves up into the northeast here through Thursday, we're going to see some heavy snow and then eventually turning much colder post-front with a few of these weak impulses of energy working into the backside of it. So minimal amounts of precip there, but there's that quarter of heavier rain, or at least precipitation of 1 to 2+ inches from the Arklatex back into New Jersey and Long Island. Snowfall amounts tapering along the Front Range, heavier though through the Ohio Valley and also the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. But again, temperatures will really start to be chilling down as we take you now through the end of the week.